In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a roadmap in ClickUp. Planning Guide 2026. First, open your browser and head over to clickup.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in. You can continue with your email or use a connected social account. Choose whichever method you normally use so your work loads into the right workspace. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your ClickUp homepage. This is your control center, showing recent items and quick links. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace if you have more than one, so the roadmap ends up in the right place. Look to the left sidebar and find Spaces. Spaces are the highest level containers for your work, often organized by team or function. Expand a space to see its folders and lists underneath. This structure helps keep your roadmap aligned with the part of the business it supports. Next, click into any list where you want your roadmap to live. Lists hold your tasks and are perfect for grouping roadmap items by theme or time period. As the list opens, you'll see your existing tasks laid out, usually in list view, along with columns like status, assignee, and due date. If your list is empty, that's fine. We're about to populate it with a template. Hover your mouse within the list area to reveal the plus button. This context menu is where ClickUp lets you add items and apply helpful shortcuts. When you see the option appear, select Templates. Templates save time and ensure consistency, especially for structured work like roadmaps. Inside the Templates window, use the search bar and type Roadmap. You'll see a selection of roadmap templates designed for different use cases: product releases, quarterly planning, or strategic initiatives. Pick the one that best fits your planning style. If a brief description is available, read it to make sure it matches your needs, such as fields for timelines, owners, and priorities. When you've found the right one, choose Use Template to add it to your list. ClickUp will bring in the pre-built tasks, fields, and structure, so you can immediately start tailoring it. From here, you can rename items to match your initiatives, adjust dates to reflect your schedule, and assign owners to drive accountability. If your team relies on statuses or custom fields, confirm that the template aligns with how you already work. And that's it. You've created a roadmap in ClickUp using a template. This approach keeps your planning fast, consistent, and easy to update as priorities evolve. Save your changes, share the list with your team, and you're ready to execute your plan for 2026.